Ito yung balkon namin. Summer na sa Germany. Nalagyan ko ng tolda. Tapos, dito mga anak kong makukulit. Hello! Hello! Ano po? Yan. Wala natin yung view. Yan. Eh, dito ka na. Nakasakay ka na naman dyan. Ito ang sopan namin eh. Okay ka lang dyan? Ha? Nainit dyan? Oh, tapos napitpit yung kamay, may nabuhing dugo pa. Parang poink. Ebe, first time natin sa balkon, ano? Ebe, first time natin.
My baby is still sleeping.
Kasi tapos na ang winter.
My baby is still sleeping.
Sleeping daw yung kanyang baby. Show your... Ito mo, yes, show. Sleeping daw yung kanyang baby. Ikaw? Ayan ang iyong baby.
I picked your favorite color.
Really?
Oh wait.
Thank you, yellow rubber.
Wait, I'm gonna. I picked my favorite colors.
Baby, chilling
you,
ah.
you guys have to.
Chilling on the beach. Hello.
On my face, Papa. On my face. On my face.
Okay, bye-bye na. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye muna, bye-bye. Bye-bye kuya.
Bye-bye.